Hey guys, PMHK here obviously. So today we have the Google Pixel tablet in front of me. I have been somebody who has used Google tablets before. I used to use the Nexus 7, which I tried to look for but couldn't find. One of the latest things that's close to a tablet that I used from Google is this Nest Hub. This is the mini version, and basically what the Google Pixel is doing is incorporating the tablet itself and the Home Hub in a single device, which is this Pixel tablet that I have here. Now this video is sponsored by MyUS. I got this guy from Amazon with a couple of different packages, which is something that I love doing with MyUS, is consolidating packages and just ship them to me all at once. But we're gonna speak a little bit more about MyUS in a later stage, still in this video. All right, so let's unbox this guy. In the box, you have a couple of pictures of the Google Pixel tablet there. This thing comes with a docking station, and basically it's similar to this thing here, but the tablet part of it actually can be removed. All right, so behind you have some information. This is the 128 gig model, and I have it on the porcelain color, made in China, and that's all basically we can see there. Struggling with the pull. Okay, there we go. Pull tab this side, and then we have a pull tab also this side. These days you don't really need a knife to unbox most of the time anymore. Okay, there we go. We're sort of inside the box. We have what I'm assuming is the tablet here on top. All right, this is quite good tablet. This guy's design reminds me of the older Pixel phones, which I have one here. I have the Pixel 5, so we're definitely gonna compare it to the Pixel 5 in terms of just the design. All right, so we have, what is this? I think this is, okay, we have a card inside showing you some of the peripherals and ports of the device. One of them being the dock, and it shows you the volume up and down button is on top, power button is on top, shows you that it has a fingerprint sensor on power button itself right there, and gives you guys some of other information. And we have the power plug, similar to the one that came on this guy here. Okay, just a little bit thicker. It won't fit on the older one. This is a 30 watts charger that's going to connect to the dock, not directly to the tablet. The tablet intakes USB-C cable, USB-C charging, which the cable is actually not included on the box, unfortunately. Now let's unbox this, which should be our stand. One idea actually that I had in the past is just get multiple stands so I can actually move the tablet around. So definitely, if that's what I want to do, I'd probably have to get 3 stands. We have the stand itself. This is also a speaker, so when you connect the tablet to the stand, it actually is going to give you a much better sound than the tablet itself can reproduce. All right, so it's smoother than the one from the older device. Okay, that's a plus. Let's now open the tablet itself. Now this is a 10.9 inch tablet. You have a selfie camera as well as a, well, sounds like this thing is going to go back in this paper bag anyways. All right, so check that on the side. This is the tablet. Wow, I like the feel of it. Okay, so this is the pins that actually, or these are the pins that actually sit right there. As you can see, 4 there. Front camera, power button, which should actually also, this is volume up and down button, power button, which should actually also have a fingerprint sensor. So I'm assuming is the antenna, or these are the feet basically. Sort of. I don't know why they have a feet for. One other thing that I might actually have to buy is the case that they have. First time docking this guy, let's go. Okay, there we go. First time docked successfully. Let's see how strong these magnets are. They're actually quite strong, which It's a positive and a negative because they're so strong that when it comes to remove the tablet from the stand, you might actually just remove everything, or you might struggle to remove, or you might just lift everything since it's very strong. So I think what you'd have to do is, when you want to remove the tablet from the stand, you're just gonna go something like that and then putting it down. Okay, I missed the once, but I think once you do it a couple times, there we go, you'll know exactly what you're doing, and you can even do it with your hands, your eyes closed. So let me close my eyes. I know it's there. Okay, there we go, it's in. There we go, quite easy. So let's power it on. Hopefully it has some charge. We're just gonna see a little bit of the interface, how it looks like. All right, so it's flat. We're gonna give it some juice. Oh, there, it's on. Wait a minute, it's flat. I decided to go with this color because I love my accessories sort of white most of the time, and since this guy was also white in front and stuff. So getting started, so let me get it set up, and then while this tablet is setting up, let me tell you guys a little bit about MyUS. Now, MyUS, as you guys might be already familiar with, because I mostly speak about MyUS in this channel as a sponsor. They are a forwarding agent that I normally use to get my stuff from US stores or UK stores that otherwise don't ship directly to Africa. And some of the actual features that I like from MyUS is that, one, you can consolidate your packages, so you can get packages from different places, put them together so you can ship them all at once, and you can actually save a little bit on the shipping costs. And the other thing that I like is that you can request pictures, both high definition pictures and standard picture. High definition pictures are going to cost you around, I think, $10 if I'm not mistaken, but the standard pictures are actually free, so you can at least see what you want to receive or what you're receiving before you press that ship to yourself button. One other feature that I use also the most is that you can actually pay the custom using the MyUS app directly. And because I am an MyUS ambassador, if you guys want to use the service and you sign up with my link, you are getting a 1-year premium membership or a 3 months business membership, all for free. And for your first shipping, you can use code PMHK20 to get 20% off your total shipping. All right, so we're going to be setting up the fingerprint button sensor, and this is a great way to show how good it is, or maybe how bad it might be. All right, so asking me to put my finger right here, lift the finger and touch. Okay, I'm doing exactly that. I actually like also the screen or the feedback there that's showing me. Okay, I'm actually getting it wrong a couple of times. All right, lift, lift, lift. Okay, it's taking a bit longer than what I would want to take, but might be because I was doing it sort of wrong. All right, I'm done. That was pretty easy, took a little bit of time, but I think because the button also is flesh in the body of the tablet itself, it's not recessed like the volume up and down button. Maybe that's why it took long. All right, so the setup is complete. Here we are on the front screen of the device. If you slide to your left, obviously go to the Google Home place. I forgot what this is called, but this is what they recommend me to read: Google News, discover a world of entertainment. And here you have your YouTube, and I actually like the initial original setup. I don't think I'll be changing this. I think I'll keep it stock. Let's try and watch something and just listen to the speaker and the video capability. Okay, I thought for a second there that my screen wasn't working. All right, this is someone that I actually follow that updates to get updates on crypto stuff.
Simple. Let's talk about the one Bitcoin strategy that have made.
It's actually quite loud. I like how loud it gets, even without me using the dock so far. One feature that I love about this thing that I'm gonna be trying it is casting content from my maybe Pixel phone or even my iPhone also should be able to do it, but basically casting content from the phone to the device so you don't have to actually go to the tablet and navigate to be able to watch the content. So let's say you're in the kitchen, the tablet is all the way there and you have your phone close by, so you just basically cast or let's say you're coming from your bedroom, you know your tablet is in the living room or in the kitchen, you cast the content before you leave the living room, maybe you leave the phone there charging, go to the kitchen and you are still watching the content. Now let's do a quick comparison in terms of design language of the older Pixel 5 to this device, which I honestly think this device actually came out now, but it was probably made around the same time when Google made the Pixel 5 design language, or else it was going to look basically like the newer devices. Okay, so all we have to try now is connect it to the dock. One thing I remember is that when you connect the device to the dock, it actually goes into this home mode where it easily allows you to control your home appliances, your smart devices via the main screen. So we connect and we're gonna be checking out those two things, the audio capability of the dock and if it actually will switch to the home. All right, so I still have to set up the home hub. So I'm in the home hub settings. You can change the screensaver. You can go at a glance, reminds and alert. If you want to see those, you can also change that. This is the feature I was saying. You can also cast from other devices to here or from here to other devices. You can set up your Google Assistant. Let's see the screensaver and preview one. So this is basically how it's going to look when you dock the device. Let's try that out. I struggle to set it up and try some of those things out, but it should be fine now. I'm thinking the device actually needs to be locked for you to see. There we go. So once the device is locked, you can actually see sort of the home hub portion of it, similar to what used to show on my Google Nest.
そうはいくか。ここがバレれば真っ先に狙われる。なんて。
指の例だ。かかってこい。俺に一撃でも入れられたらお前下についてやる。手始めに。
Alright, so that was me just testing the audio from the device itself compared to the one from the dock. One main difference is that the one from the dock is actually much fuller, but in terms of loudness, they sort of close, although obviously the one from the dock is going to be obviously much louder. Now, this device itself, the Google Pixel tablet, will be for somebody, for example, that used to use something like this and both has home devices that he would like to control from the tablet, or he would like the information displayed on the tablet, or even just somebody who is in the Android ecosystem and really just love Pixel devices. This is actually something that you should actually go and buy, because you definitely not going to regret buying it. The audio quality is very good. I like it. The build quality is also good. I love the fact that it has a fingerprint sensor. All right, so this is gonna be it for this video. If I have more information on the device, it's gonna be posted over on Instagram or on Shorts here on YouTube, or if it's something major, obviously I'm gonna come back and do another video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Like this video, click the notification bells button, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next one, which is definitely gonna be pretty soon. Peace.